this video, I will show 8 solutions for the Roblox Crash error. First solution. Restart your PC. Simply restarting your PC can fix the Roblox Crash error, so do that and see if it solves it. Second solution. Perform a disk cleanup. To perform a disk cleanup, type disk cleanup in the Start menu and open it. Uncheck the Downloaded Program Files box and also Temporary Internet Files. Scroll to the end. Check the Thumbnails box and click OK. Click on Delete Files. And now open Roblox and see if the error is fixed. Third solution. Change compatibility settings. Right-click on Roblox and go to Properties. Click on Compatibility. Check the Disable Full Screen Optimizations box and click on Apply and OK. Now see if the error has been corrected. If it didn't work, go to Compatibility again. And now check the box Run this program as an administrator and click on Apply and OK. Open Roblox and see if the error is fixed. Fourth solution. Check if Windows is updated. To check if Windows is up to date, click on Start and click on Settings. Click on Update and Security. And here check if it is updated. If not, it will probably have a button written Restart Now, and you will click on it to update Windows. After the update is finished, you will check if the Roblox Crash error has been fixed. Fifth solution. Download version from Microsoft Store. We need to uninstall Roblox before downloading the Microsoft Store version. So to uninstall Roblox, we will type Roblox in the Start menu, and we will click on Uninstall. Now find Roblox. Right-click on it, and click Uninstall. Some warnings will appear, and you will confirm all of them. Now that Roblox has been uninstalled, we can download it from the Microsoft Store. And to download it from the Microsoft Store, let's type Microsoft Store in the Start menu. And let's open it. Type Roblox in the search bar and press Enter. Click on Roblox. And now click on Install to start installing Roblox, and after the installation is finished, the play button will appear for you to enter Roblox. Sixth solution. Reinstall Roblox correctly. To reinstall Roblox correctly, we will first delete its installation folder. So to do this, we will open Run by pressing the Windows plus R keys. And we will type app data and click OK. Open Local Folder. Now find the Roblox folder and delete it. Open Run again, and now type %10% and click OK, and delete the Roblox folder again. Now we can actually uninstall Roblox, so type Roblox in the Start menu and click Uninstall. Find Roblox. Right-click on it and click Uninstall. Some warnings will appear, and you must confirm all of them to start the uninstallation. Now all you have to do is download Roblox again, and you probably already know how to do this, since you downloaded Roblox before. But if you don't know, I'll leave a link in the description, which shows how to download. After downloading Roblox again, open it, and see if the error has been fixed. Seventh solution. Ask Roblox for support. I will leave the link in the description of the site where you can ask for Roblox support. To fix this error, just fill out all this, and type the problem, and send it to them, and they will help you by email. Eighth solution. Reset the PC. Resetting the PC is very time-consuming and laborious, but it will certainly correct the error, so I will leave a YouTube video in the description, which teaches how to reset the PC. I hope these solutions fix the error. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.